Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming super budget king mobile phones of 2026, the Samsung Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37, are shown in high-quality renders, revealing new design and the latest color options. On the other hand, a well-known tech resource has published the Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 5G full phone specifications and new pricing details. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Almost all the details about the upcoming mid-rangers, the Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 smartphones have surfaced online. Now, Android Headlines has revealed technical details of Samsung's upcoming smartphones. And renders based on CAD models were also released by YTechB. What's known about the Samsung Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57? Design, specifications, and pricing. Both smartphones were almost completely revealed before the announcement. As for the Galaxy A37 specs, the new base model will be powered by an Exynos 1480 chip. The smartphone will feature an updated 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, in addition to the 50-megapixel main sensor and 5-megapixel macro camera. The front-facing camera will have a resolution of 12 megapixels. The device will support Wi-Fi 6 and the older Bluetooth 5.3 adapter. As for the Galaxy A57 specs, the larger model surpasses the Galaxy A37 in several ways. Firstly, the new Galaxy A57 will be equipped with an Exynos 1680 processor. Secondly, the smartphone will support the latest and fastest connectivity standards, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 6.0. Furthermore, the Galaxy A57's body will be thinner and lighter than its smaller sibling, 6.9 mm of thickness and 192 grams, compared to 7.4 mm and 196 grams for the A37. The larger model's camera setup will remain the same, a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. According to available information, the Galaxy A37 will be released in 4 colors: Awesome Charcoal, Black, Awesome Grey-Green, Grey-Green, Awesome Lavender, and Awesome White. The older Galaxy A57 will also be available in the same number of colors: Awesome Grey, Awesome Icy Blue, Awesome Lilac, and Awesome Navy. Reports have already surfaced online that the Galaxy A37 and A57 will increase in price by 15 to 20% in Europe. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.